This video guide is about removing the fake human verification alerts that are related to the website Cjtrade3.xyz. This is the website that may pretty unexpectedly attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. The website actually tries to make you click on a special allow button which is integrated into it. But clicking on allow is dangerous, and this may almost immediately hijack your browser. First of all, you may be pointed to some other deceptive site. Also, you may start receiving a lot of advertisements that would be displayed randomly in the right part of the computer screen. So what you need to do is to fix your browser immediately. Go to the menu, Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go to Permissions, then Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this Cjtrade3.xyz, click on this button and delete it from the list. We also recommend that you research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your computer to identify and remove other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.